to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Caroline and welcome. Okay, so today we are converting my dining room into a sitting room. My dining room is a room that I just wasn't really using. It was beautiful and I like to look at it, but it just wasn't being used. So I decided to change it into a sitting room. So I sold all my furniture in here and started from scratch. So I hope that you enjoy and get motivated to decorate in your home. Okay, so here is the room. I just came from the stairs, so I'm out of breath. But it's an echo in here because it's empty. But I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the floors, mop a little, and then we'll start to decorate.
you can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can.
Okay, so this rug, I got it, excuse the echo, I got it from Burlington, and it's a 6.5 by 9.5, and I think it's perfect for this room. It was $80, so it was totally a steal. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it down, and then I'll tell you guys where everything is from at the end. Okay, so let's
Head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wild.
If you are new to my channel, welcome. I love to do decorates with me, shop with me, clean with me, anything lifestyle related. I love to do those things. So if that is something that you think you would like, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate it. And make sure to comment down below. Let me know if you're new so that I can welcome you personally and maybe have a conversation with you. I love to talk, so you will notice that I just will sit there and type and text, or I feel like I'm texting you in the comments, but you know, I just want to get to know you guys. So make sure you comment down below, let me know that you're new and that you subscribed, and I will go ahead and pray for you, take the moment to pray for you guys and thank God for you, because I am grateful for every single one of you.
I got this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now.
Okay guys, so I have a couple tips for you. First being, when you are decorating, you will see that I do this throughout the video, but when you're decorating, take your time. It's okay to not finish a room in one day. It's okay not to, right now it looks like I did it all in one day. No, I've been shopping and doing and adding to this room for 3 to 4 months, but I refuse to put things that I did not love in here. So I just made sure that the room was exactly what I wanted before I shared with you guys. So that is tip number 1. Make sure that whatever you're getting, you absolutely love. Tip number 2, when you are decorating, set it down, step back, look at it. Do I love it? Do I not? And then change it if you don't. If you love it, great, leave it. Move on. But make sure that you are taking a step back. Sometimes you can let days go by and you're like, you know what? I actually don't like that. Let me change it. Or I love it. I'm happy I put that there. So whatever it is, just step back, look at it, see if you love it. Okay, and tip number 3. Make sure that you shop your home, guys. Your home has things that you probably aren't using, you haven't seen in a while, and you just have it stored away, and it probably works well in that room. Those are a few tips that I think really will help. Oh, and another thing, actually, guys, don't get overwhelmed. It can be so overwhelming decorating a room and just like, oh, where do I start? Just go to the stores whenever you have time and say, you know what? I'm just going to go have an open mind. These are the things that I need. If I find it, great. If I don't, I'll find it next time. But take your time, enjoy the process, because decorating a room should be fun. So I put the mirror there. Now I will need a little table for there, but now I know I need that, so I'll go ahead and start looking for one. But I'm completely out of breath.
I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. A picture of you. A picture of you. A picture of you.
Okay, I don't know which one I like better. This one with this pillow or that one with the pillow that comes with it. Okay, so I have this mirror I just got from Ross. It was $45. That's what it looks like. I'll show you guys when it's up, but I'm trying to decide if I should put that mirror on this wall or if I should just put the 2 shelves on that wall. I was also considering putting that mirror there and then that over there, but I kind of just don't want to move it. I don't know. So I'm probably just gonna put that one over here and then move those shelves somewhere else. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Okay, so here is the mirror that I just put up. I decided to keep the shelves off just because, yeah, it just didn't look right. So.
Up all night, and when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. A picture of you.
Hey, so here is the final reveal. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to show my husband when he gets home. He's gonna be so excited. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Will it get updates every now and then? Absolutely. I feel strongly about only buying pieces that I absolutely love. So that is everything that I have here. I either had it already or I recently bought it and absolutely love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys or tell you guys exactly where everything is. So basically I'm gonna give you a little room tour. Starting over here, I got this vase from Home Goods recently. I believe it was only $30. I got these picks from Michael's. And then I got this big mirror from Home Goods. It has like that little stand in the back. And I paid $150 for that. And then over here, this table I got from World Market. I got it on a really good deal. I think I only paid like $200, maybe $250. So yeah, I had to wait because they were sold out. And then when they got them in, the girl called me. She's like, "Hey, I got it in." So I was like, "Oh my gosh!" So then I went to go pick it up. And my husband built it for me, so it's perfect. It does have drawers. I eventually want to add like little knobs here, maybe some white ones, but for now I kind of like that you can't tell that it's drawers. And then I just have our photo book in there, our photo album. And then that side also has a drawer. Okay, so this mirror is an antique. It's been passed down from my parents many years ago. And my dad gave it to me, and I love that mirror, so I'm gonna keep it forever. So I'm happy that I was able to put it in the main area. And then this vase and that vase over there, I got both of those many years ago from Ross. The flowers are all from Michael's. Okay, these baskets, I got those from Home Goods. This, what is this called? This wine holder is from At Home a long time ago. It was on clearance, so I picked that up. I never used it. I actually planned on putting towels in it from my bathroom. I ended up not using it, so I was like, hey, it matches. So I put it here. This ginger jar, you guys have seen it many times. I think it's from either Home Goods or, yeah, I think it's from Home Goods or Ross, maybe. Flowers, again, are from Michael's. I told you about those baskets. And then these books, I've had them. This one, it was in a shop with me. I think I paid like $3 for this book. And then the Chanel one I ordered on Amazon. And then this thing here, I love it. It's this plain, like, it's a ceramic, I don't know, I guess you would call it a vase, I don't know. I got it from an antique store, and I loved it so much. I originally bought it to put candle wax in it to make it like a giant candle, and I eventually will do that. I just haven't found the time or a video that shows me how to do it, so I'll find one eventually and make it. But for now, I just put flowers that I had. I think I got these flowers from a garage sale a long time ago. And then this clock, I got it I think like 2 falls ago for my fall decor. So I figured it looked good here. And then over here, I got these 2 chairs from Target. I believe they were $150 each. And then these ottomans I got from Target as well. They were $65. These pillows, I've had them for a lot of years. I don't even know where they're from. This basket I got like 2019, and I had it in my boys' room, but I moved it here. Because I want to have a coffee table for here, but I can't find it, and I don't want to hold off the video to just find a table. I've held it up enough, so I put that there for now, and I think it's cute. But yeah, I eventually want to get a little side table there, but I want to find one that I absolutely love. Okay, and then this gold mirror, I got it from Ross. I believe I paid $40, $39.99, something like that. But I love it. It has really cute detail. So yep, that is the side. And then I had these for years, but I got those probably like 4 years ago from Target. They were on sale. And then this mirror over here, I got this from Ross, like I said, and it was $45. So I like the shape of it, that it's not like perfectly square. It has like the round corners. So yeah. Oh, and then this carpet, guys, I looked forever and a day for a carpet or a rug. Is there a difference between carpet and rug? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I've been looking for a rug that would go perfectly in this room. I was very specific on what I wanted. I literally waited like 2 or 3 months with, I've had a bunch of the stuff already, but the rug, I was not able to find one that I loved. And finally, I found this rug at Burlington for, I think I paid $70 or $80. Amazing. I'm so happy with it. I love like the marbly look. I love that it has like the browns, and it does still have gray, which I did not want, but I don't think that it's enough gray to make it like look, I just didn't want it to be like white and gray like the one I have in my main living room. But anyways, so I feel like it looks perfect in here. I feel like it puts the room together. So I'm really excited. I can't wait for my husband to see it. I think he's gonna love it. And we will definitely enjoy some coffee here. We sit on these already. Before I had the ottomans, we like to sit there and just kind of talk. So that's why I want a little side table there so we can put our coffee on top of it. But he was like, we need something for our feet, honey. And I was like, you know what? You're right. So I finally picked those up and I'm so happy with the way they look. So yes, the room might change because you guys know how I am. I can't keep something the same for very long, but for now, I love it and I'm so happy. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed and you got inspired. Maybe you're changing one of your rooms in your home and maybe you can get some ideas. But don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time that I post. And make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the room. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.